Today I recreated one of my favorite snacks back in junior secondary school. Guys, this is the Ghana Sweet Buns. Very crispy from the outside, soft from the inside, and extremely delicious. Today I'll be taking you through how to make them. Very easy, so let's get right into it. For this recipe, I'll be using 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, half teaspoon baking soda, and a teaspoon of baking powder. We're going to mix this together thoroughly to make sure everything combines beautifully. Next, I'll be adding 1 cup of salted margarine. At this stage, it's best to use your hands. Mix this thoroughly until it begins to look like breadcrumbs. Just like this is the perfect texture we are looking for. I'm going to set this aside, and in another bowl I'm going to mix in the wet ingredients. Into the bowl I'm adding 2 cups of water, half cup of granulated sugar, a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pineapple flavor, 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor. I love vanilla, that's the reason I added vanilla, but you can make it 2 teaspoons of pineapple flavor. Then you mix this thoroughly so everything melts. I didn't add the sugar to the dry ingredients because it might not melt properly, it might not combine properly with the dry ingredients, so it's best to mix it with water. So at this point, we are adding our dry ingredients and our wet ingredients together, and we are going to mix this gently. Add the water in bits so you do not have a runny dough. We are not kneading this, we are just mixing the flour and the water together. The intention is not to knead this because that's not what we want. So you are going to continue adding the water until you achieve a dough like this. Not so runny and not so thick. So this is the best consistency for this. It's now time to fry. So you're going to heat up your oil and allow it to be between medium to low heat. Then now you're going to gently drop your dough into the hot oil. You don't have to mold the dough into any particular form. Just make sure it's raw from the outside, because the rougher the outside, the more crunchier it comes out. Make sure you regulate the heat properly so the buns can cook through thoroughly. The fire must not be too low because it's going to suck up oil when it's too low. So it has to be medium and perfect for the buns to cook through and not soak up the oil. So when one side begins to turn golden brown, you're going to flip it over so the other side can also cook properly. When you achieve this beautiful golden brown color, then you know your buns are ready. Look how perfect and crunchy it looks. This came out so well and absolutely delicious. You can serve this with some cold zobo, cold malt, just any drink of choice, and enjoy your life. If you've watched till this stage and you have not yet subscribed, please do also hit the subscribe button, like, share, and drop in the comments where you're watching me from. Thank you so much for watching, and catch you in my next one. Bye for now.